Hello everyone, and welcome to our IELTS Band 7 Training Complete course. So, I know you're asking yourself, why should I take this course? I need to study for the IELTS exam. I need to get a high band score so that I'll be able to get university admission or be able to gain citizenship to a particular country. So why should I take this particular course? Well, number one is that this course is going to offer you benefits that you probably can't find everywhere else. Let's take a look at our IELTS training course so that you'll have an idea about why you should take this particular course. Number one, we are going to focus on the specific strategies and tactics that you need to be a success for the exam. One of the things that I find in terms of problems with the IELTS books are that they just tell students, well, this is how the exam is structured, and then you have to do this part next, and then next you have to do the listening part. They don't teach you the specific strategies and tactics that you need to be a success. And that's something that we're going to do. We're going to teach you exactly how to do the exam so that you are well prepared and able to get that very high band score. Next, what are the benefits you're going to receive? That's what everyone wants to know. Well, what are the benefits I'm going to get from this course? Well, you're going to get exam advice from past graders, which is great because most students want to know, what do they want from me? Next, you're going to get admission to our free monthly live session. We're going to review your essays, and you're going to learn how to jump band scores. How do I jump from a 7 to an 8? How do I go from a 5 to a 6.5? We're going to show you the secret of how to do that. Finally, well, what about my instructor? Who is this guy? Who's going to be teaching me? Well, your instructor has 10 years of teaching the IELTS exam, and as you can see from this list here, I am very, very well qualified and able to make sure that you're getting the best instruction possible for the IELTS exam. Next, what are you going to receive from the course? What are you going to get from it? Well, you're going to get some great benefits from the instructor, myself. I'm going to personally lead you in your practice for each section. That's right. You're going to be able to walk through, and I'm going to walk you through step by step how to answer each type of question for the reading, each type of question for the listening. You're going to learn step by step what to do. You'll be able to possibly gain 3 hours of private practice in one of our contests. And also your questions are going to be answered in a very timely manner. Next, university admission. We're going to be able to help you get the score that you need so that you can get university admission. That's why you're taking this course for most of you. You need a score of 6, 6.5, 7.5 to be able to get that high score to gain university admission. By the end of this course, I guarantee you will be familiar with all parts of the IELTS exam. You'll have some great tips to help you get a high score, and you are going to understand how the exam is assessed. That's so important. So many students come to me, and they want to know, how is this exam assessed? Because if you understand that, you'll know how to get a high score on the exam. Finally, what's the course structure? How are you going to teach me? Well, we're going to first start off each section by going over the strategies and tactics that are needed. We're going to give you the advice through video tutorials so you can actually watch us apply the strategy. That's so important. So many people will tell you, well, this is what you're supposed to do, but they don't show you how to do it. We're going to help you. We're going to apply the strategy for you so that you know how to perform on the actual real exam. What are the requirements to take this course? Well, I need you to have at least an intermediate level of English, and I need you to be able to consistently and actively practice. Practice makes purpose. So, I hope that you're going to become one of my students. I look forward to teaching you, and I look forward to helping you get that high IELTS 7 band score. Thanks a lot, and I'll see you soon.